Hello, time for a bit of a quick video on the Bristol Bulldog vintage classic kits from Airfix. Now you may remember I've already built a example of the Bulldog. Back in the day I did the previous release when they had the Swedish markings, so more of that later. But it's a nice little kit, builds up quite nicely, and I thought I wanted to have it in RAF colours, so I paid the cheap price that it is at the moment of £5 or £6 and picked it up from an online retailer. Now the first thing I noticed was the checks are a different colour. I thought, I'm sure I had red and white on the decals, which I had last time I built this, and fair enough, that's exactly what I did. So these are old decals from the time when I built the Swedish version, and they're quite bright blue, but more of that in a minute. And yeah, it's red and white, so probably a different squadron, so I'll keep those for now and show you inside the kit of what you get with the kit. Now you wouldn't expect much because it's an old kit, and if I say kit again I'll probably lose points, but there we are. Same old instructions as you'd expect, nothing new here. And these are the decals which you get with them, which disappointingly you only get one version. You don't have the option for the Swedish option these days. And if you compare the decals, they're a different different number too, serial number. So I'll show you what I did when I noticed that in a moment. So what you see is what you get. It's the same old, it's an old kit from 40-50 years ago. That's okay, no problem with that. We get what we expect. The old type of sprues, extra bit of sprue you never need. 2 halves, bit of a bucket seat, very basic. Can't even see where the seat is now at the moment, but it's in here somewhere. I hope. Yeah, multi-part engine, which is really good, really, considering that can be painted up nicely. And the actual free prize you get with this is two. You can't see there's 2 windscreens. I don't know if they, in case you lose one amongst the carpet monster, but you get 2 windscreens for your money, which is good. There's the seat part. You just put a seat that in there, and it's a seat. You don't notice it because the cockpit is closed up. Once you put the 2 halves of the cockpit together, as you can see with the one I built, you can't really see inside. But that's all right. Now, because I've got decals for the old British RAF version, I thought the cheap kits, what I'll do, I'll buy another one. So what's better than one small kit than 2 small kits? That's good. So what I'm going to do when the time comes is use the decals from the old one with the decals from the new release. Because they're darker, I'm going to put the darker roundels over in place of the light blue roundels. I don't know if that's accurate or necessary, but I'd like them to match, and then I'll have 2 different RAF examples. But anyway, that's my purchase fairly recently of the re-release of the Airfix Bristol Bulldog. Bye for now.